Let us now discuss the process of building and deploying Android application. Let's say, for example, you have developed your Android app, and this is the final application that you want the public to have. Before you upload it to Play Store, where people can download and install in their phone, you want first to give it to a group of people, your friends and your family members, first to see it and give you suggestion whether it needs improvement or you can give it to public as it is. All you have to do is first build your project for local distribution and then build another APK for uploading to Play Store. This is all that we're going to discuss in this section. To build your app for local deployment or distribution to your friends and family members, all you have to do is click on the build at the top of Android Studio, and then build APK and select build APK. Click on it and you'll see a status message that says build APK. All APKs generated successfully for one module hello world.apk, and then now locate it so that you can be able to distribute it. By clicking locate here, you'll be able to open the directory where the APK was placed once it was built. So open it, you'll see your app debug.apk. You can decide to rename it. For this case, I can say hello world.apk, and then I can just copy it, share with my friends, share with family members so that they can install in their phone. That's all for local distribution. Let us now discuss how we can be able to build projects that we're going to distribute via Play Store. So first you need to create a Play Store account. Once you have the Play Store account set up, go to your Android Studio and now do what we are going to do. Click on the build at the top of your Android Studio and select Generate Signed Bundle or APK. This pop-up will appear. The pop-up has two options. You can generate Android app bundle or you can generate APK. So I'm going to generate Android app bundle because it comes with benefits, that is smaller download size, on-demand app feature, asset, Andre module. If you want to generate an APK, you can just select this one. Then click next. You'll be required to provide a key store path. So if you don't have one, I like creating every project for itself. So I'm going to create for this one. And the path that I'm going to provide is where my project is, and then I'm going to have a directory called key, and that's where my key store path will be. Then provide a password. Give a password for the key store path. Remember, these ones will be used by Play Store to authenticate when you're uploading or releasing a new update. Then key aliases, mostly this is the default one. I like using it. Provide a password also for this one, and then confirm the password. Then for certificate, you can just provide any field. For this one, I'm just going to provide the first and the last name. So I'm going to have Learn Tech. Then I'm going to click OK. For the first time, these will be auto-filled. You can select remember password and then click next. Remember, you only need to generate once. And then from there, you'll be using these certificates and keystone to upload new releases. Click next. Select whether you want to build a debug version or a release version. Mostly when you're going to Play Store or to distribute to Play Store, you would like to use a release version and then click finish. Here you'll see a message saying app bundle, that is generate signed bundle. App bundle generated successfully. You can click this one to expand and then click locate. Then you'll see app release.aab. This is the file that you are going to upload to Play Store or to your account to distribute now to billions of users who use Android devices.